Rolling fast shutter doors, also known as spiral or turbo-fast doors, are industrial doors that are super fast, super hard, and highly efficient. They're the best of both worlds, combining the advantages of industrial fast doors with electric lifting doors. They're great at sealing, wind-resistant, have high light transmission, and provide excellent insulation. These doors have double spiral guide rails and suspended corrugated board connections, which makes them run fast, smooth, quiet, and with no wear and tear. This significantly extends the life of the door. They can open at maximum speeds of 5.8 meters per second, and multiple lifting methods help make better use of space. Controlling these doors is easy with options such as button hand control, geomagnetic control, wireless remote control, Bluetooth RF, radar control, pull cord switch, and remote central control. In case of an emergency, the door's free balance system makes it easy to lift up. These fast doors are widely used in many industries such as automobiles, food, logistics, real estate, and fire protection. They're also an excellent solution for separating different production and storage areas.